Welcome back to Nazareto's channel. Today I will be doing surgery on a Lexus LS460 and my friends are here making funny stuff. But anyway, LS460, we're gonna change the Serpentine Belt. This is it, LS460. It's a V8, the Serpentine Belt, the making noise. First thing we're gonna do, open the hood. So we gotta remove this beauty cover first. It pops out. Put it on the side. And we gotta remove these retaining pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use a flathead screwdriver. Pop it out. But some of them are easy to come out. Alright, let's get the flathead screwdriver. So now we're gonna pop these retainer clips. Start with the bigger one, fatter one. It came off. Okay, this one was already removed. It's already gone. There's one here, and then what's up? Yeah. All right. So you just push it in. Okay, cool. And this comes out. This plastic piece comes out. All right. Put it on the side. Now we need 10mm socket to remove this bolt here and this bolt here. It goes easy. Do not lose any of the bolts. This one is loose. And then remove this one. Okay, in next step we remove these pins. You don't really need this, but if you have pliers, you can just use pliers. But be careful with this part because it might be hot, brittle. Slowly kind of like wiggle it out. Do not use force on this part. See, it came out nice and easy. And now same thing with this one. Move this out of the way, this clip, and wiggle this part out. Done. Now with the same 10mm socket, you see this part right here, we gotta loosen it up. It's already loose. Now go on this side. Good. The next step, we have to pull this part out. There's like a little wing here. There you go. Do the same thing on the other side. There you go. And now we can remove this part. There you go. This part is removed. Set it on the side. All right. Next step, there's another 10mm bolt right here. Okay, I think we're good. And now this whole piece is moving. Wiggle it out. And there's a clip down there. We have to remove that little clip, which is, you see, right there. Okay. See this clip right there? All you have to do is just pull it straight out because it just like clips into the hole. Because this whole unit is already moving and we don't want to pull on this wiring. We have to disconnect this clip, so we're just going to pull it out. As you see right here, I removed this plastic piece. It's just pull it out pretty much. There's a hole right there and pull it out. And now we can remove this whole unit out, as you see here. And this is how the plastic connector was just sitting there. You know, you just pull it out. Anyway. This is what's called like a air resonator or something. That's what I believe. So we move it out of the way so we have space, access to the belt. See? This is our belt. And this is our tensioner. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get, I believe, 14mm, and we're gonna put pressure on that counterclockwise and remove the belt. But you also need to draw like a little diagram. So let's do that. So I know there are diagrams on the internet. You can get better than this, but I draw it. There's a big one, there's a big pulley right there. This is our water pump, you know, this is our water pump, this is our tensioner, which is right there. So kind of draw it, and then make sure you draw like which way the belt goes all around these things. Right, so I'm bad at drawing. This is the picture. You can get it off online, or I can share it with you. This is the picture. And the first thing we need to do, get 14mm socket, and there's our pulley. Put the socket on there and go counterclockwise to remove the belt. So get your 14mm socket. Also, we have this extension with a swivel, so we can reach there. And we're gonna put it right on there. This is our water pump. This is our tensioner. So you see right there. Okay, now look, when you pull it this way, counterclockwise, you're releasing tension, and the belt came off. There you go. Very easy. All right. Very easy. This is our belt, and we just remove it, go all around, nice and easy. Don't pull on anything. Remove this belt. And I show you the problem with this belt, guys. So this is the belt. As you see, it's old. I don't think it's ever changed, but it's got shredded on the side here, and all the way around here, as you see. Even though it seems to be strong and stuff, but you better put a new belt, and also check for any cracks. This belt still looks pretty good. Original Lexus. Do not buy any aftermarket. Put original one, and this looks very good, even for the old one. But let's get the new one. All right, guys, this is the part from the Lexus. That's the 90916, as you see, 02637, made in Japan. Very good belt. And also double check for the grooves, and you know, check everything before installing it. And let's compare it to the old one. Look at the old one. You see how thinner this one is, and the new one is thicker. The reason is because this old belt got damaged, and then it got shaved off pretty much. So yeah, we're gonna install the new one. First thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna go around this big pulley with this channels pointing like that, like so. Go around this fan, what do you call that, fan pulley, which is right here. And then we're gonna go around this one, which is right there. Loop it around here, go around this pulley, make sure the flat surface, this flat side is, you know, like curves and touches this part. Then go down on that pulley. So let's do that. All right, so put your belt down, and it has to go underneath the big one, number one. Before we put any tension, I'm gonna make sure it's not like, how do you say, pulling anywhere. Okay, then we gotta go down on this belt, and then loop it around this one down there. Okay. All right. So as you see here, I loop it around here, right? Went around this pulley, around this, went down, and loop it around this one, as you see in the picture. I'll show you in the picture. And now we gotta go up to the pulley that's over here. We gotta go up, which is right here, sitting right here. I guided the belt down through here, up around this pulley, then went down, then went up, and then put the belt on this pulley, then go across, put the belt across this pulley, tension. Okay, now we put tension on the pulley, which is right there. Push it. Oh, fuck. let's release this one. I can't.
Це знімає.
Так, давай це знімемо. Okay, now put tension on the pulley. Now put tension on the pulley. Push it. And now we're gonna slide this belt over. Is it all the way? No. That's it? All the way? Hold on. It's good. Easy, easy. Ты вважай на провід. Careful on the belt. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Okay, hold on a second. This one is off the... Okay, this is good. This belt is a little bit off, so we're gonna adjust this here. And let's see. Okay, start releasing tension. You release it? Release the tension? Okay, we're gonna double check everything. We installed this pulley, right? Here's the thing. I mean, not the pulley, I'm talking about belt. Now what we wanna check, make sure this belt is sitting nicely in these grooves. As you see here, make sure this belt nicely sitting in the grooves, you know, it's not to the side. Then it goes around this pulley, around the tensioner. And also you see like there's like a alternator pulley thingy. Make sure the belt sits there. Then it goes up. This is the water pump pulley. And what I'm trying to show you, here, hold this light. Make sure this belt sits nicely in the grooves. Make sure it's not sideways or crooked. Then it goes across. Also, as you see here, the belt nicely sitting in these channels, like perfect. Goes down to this big, I think it's AC unit, around big pulley. And also it's sitting nicely in this channel. Then it comes up around the smooth. You see like the teeth are pointing upwards. This is the right way to do it. And the smooth part of the belt, which is this side, goes around this pulley, comes down, and then loops around the big one. But the way we did it, we had a little issue. I kind of routed the wrong way, so I had to reroute it. My friend here, he put tension on this, on the tensioner pulley. And then all I did, I just slide the belt over this big pulley and we're done. So always check your work. Make sure, especially if you don't install the belt correctly, it's gonna eat the belt and it's very dangerous. So from this point, I can tell you everything looks amazing. Everything looks great. And the belt, you see how nicely sitting in the grooves. So this is where your water pump is. We're gonna do next project on that, but everything looks amazing. Nice and even, and this one too. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put it all back together, backwards. I have a cameraman here. Look at this guy, look at this guy. Lights. I got my little helper here. And
an operator.
And the Dr. Nazareto's here in my gloves. So now let's put everything back together on this baby. All right, turn it off. The belt is installed correctly. We verify everything. We don't want to start the car right now, so we're just going to put everything back. Nicely push it down. Okay. This one. These things. And push this part in. That's it. Now we need to tighten these. Make sure this pin right here is sitting into place. This plastic piece right there. All right, we're gonna tighten down with, was it 12 millimeter? How many? 10 millimeter. Tighten this one. But guys and girls, when you do this job, do not break this piece. make sure you wiggle it out. Don't use any power tools. Now there's this one, very important to tighten this one. Don't go too crazy. This one tight, this one tight, this one tight. These two clips are tight. Put everything back together. There you go. Nothing crazy. Do not use a lot of force. That's more than enough. Same thing with that one. So go in reverse. Make sure this little thing's clipped in. And now what we're gonna do, we have to put the air intake that goes here and here. We can start it. Okay, now look here. Sorry, you see that? The belt. Let me turn it. Everything's spinning correctly. All the components. And I'm surprised this engine works so nicely. But we do have to do water pump on this belt. Okay, look over there. You see how everything looks nice? Nothing vibrating, nothing whistling. I think this job is done. So yeah, I think this job is done. Everything is good. Right, now we're gonna install this breather thingy I call. So install it like this. Okay, slide it in. Make sure it clicks here, and then on this side, no force required. And now you see these holes aligned where we put I think like 12mm bolts, 10mm bolts. We're just gonna do these. And then put the beauty cover. And now let's put these bolts back. Doesn't have to be crazy tight. We're gonna be working on this car in a week or two. So yeah, you got the point. This bolt is secured. Good. Now this one. We can zoom out a little bit. Okay. All right, now we're going to put the other tube, but also before you close everything up, verify these clips are sitting nicely, because it could cause vacuum leaks, so make sure it's all good. The last piece is this one. It simply goes like this, like so. Right? Is that right? Okay, good. Now we want to put these little clips here, and where's the big one? I think this big one goes here. Whatever, I got a bunch of these new from Amazon. We're gonna put the remaining ones. Now here's the trick with putting this big cover. Look carefully here. You have these points. This one, this one, this one, and this. You see it clearly? 4. And you have to align with this one, and then on the back there's another one, I think right here. But anyway, let's just glide this thing over. And also you have these plastic clips. They're supposed to clip on here. Very important. Right, slide it in kind of. I think this is it. All right, I want to show you my hot sister. That's her car. Hello.
Really?
There's no lights on the dashboard. Everything's good. What is a triangle? What is a triangle?
Be alert all the time.
Oil maintenance or
I have
something?
to be alert all the time.
Oh, okay. Drink
Okay,
some
I can
coffee.
drive,
All right,
right?
bye. The car sounds good. Everything is good. You can go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, you forgot to say click link and subscribe and everything.
Click link and
Just
subscribe.
subscribe. Bye. Good. Everything is good. The engine sounds good. Everything's good. Thanks for watching Nazaret's channel. See you in the next video. Don't forget link, subscribe, hit the bell.